How to get a student discount on Apple products. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can get a student discount on Apple product. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, we have to understand if we are eligible for the discount or not. If you're a current or newly accepted college or university student or a parent buying for a student or a teacher or staff member, then you are eligible. Since Apple might ask you to verify your status through UniDays or your school email, so make sure that you are eligible. Now to get your discount, what you have to do is open up a browser, then head towards the Apple's official education store. Here you can type in Apple's education store. And now you could head over to the first link on your interface, that is education pricing and student discount. So through this website, you could buy any product with your student discount. So these are all the products that you get. So once you're here, select the product. For example, I want this MacBook Air. Now you have to choose the size. Either you want to go with 13-inch or 15-inch. Scroll down a bit and these are all the products that you can get for. And if you keep on scrolling, here you can see there's an option as education savings, and same with the other one. So here is how you can get your student discount. Once you select your product, click on select, and here now you could click on add to bag, and here you have to add your delivery date and your pickup availability as well. Now if you try to check out, you may be asked to log in and verify your student status, and where most of the country use UniDays. After that, once you are done with that, you will get your discounted amount and then you could complete your purchase and enjoy the savings. And that's it. That's how you get the student discount on Apple product. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.